Hey beauties, welcome back to 5-Star Beauty Bar. I'm your girl SheenaJanelle, and today I'm bringing my very first hair tutorial with some Bohemian passion twists, y'all. This look is so sexy. I totally slayed it. I have step-by-step directions for y'all. Stick around for the look. So we're going to start off by sectioning our hair and putting rubber bands. This is the rubber band method. I found that it was the easiest for me with longer hair. So right now I am going to just part my hair in boxes, and I'm twisting the hair at the roots. And the reason I'm twisting the hair is because I just want to make sure all the strands are in and it doesn't like get into other rubber bands or parting, etc. So I just twist the hair a little bit just to keep it all together and put a little black rubber band on it and move to the next section. And the way I like to part is in like a brick layout type of format, and that's because when you lay the braids, you know, and then when you part your hair in the brick like format, the twist or the braids actually lay so you don't see any holes or gaps, if that makes any sense. So here you can see that the parting style we chose doesn't allow you to see any holes from the bottom rows, which is perfect. This is the hair that I chose. It's the waterwave hair by Model. I don't know if it's Model or Model. Somebody help me with that. But I'm just separating the hair strand, the one hair strand. That's all I need for one, and detangling it. I'm going to take the middle and I'm going to twist it just a little bit with a little product because I want the root to be nice and silky. And I'm going to slip my crochet needle underneath of the rubber band, and I'm going to latch the hair onto the hook, pull the latch over it, and I'm going to pull just a little bit of both of the hair through. Now this technique right here where I'm putting a slip knot at the base is usually used in regular crocheting, crocheting hair, but I actually stopped using the technique during the rest of the video because it didn't have, a payoff that I realized. So I'll show you just how I twist the hair once I get the crochet needle through it later on in the video, and I'll also show you the technique that I use to keep a nice firm twist. So here's a closer look at how we latch the hair onto the hook, and we pull the latch over top of it, and then we're going to pull one side of the hair strand through. So I put my index finger through, or my thumb, just to get that apex, and I just pull one strand through, so it should be able to just move under the twist, under the rubber band, excuse me. And your hair that's actually in the rubber band, we're going to take that hair and we're going to part it in two, and we're going to make it tighter at the roots, because since we've crocheted this synthetic water wave in, you know, it can become a little loose. So we're going to tighten that up by splitting our hair in two and then putting it with the two strands of the water wave hair. And then we're going to twist them both just a little bit so that they stick together. I put a little product on it, and I'm just start twist the way of the water wave, and we're going to repeat this process. So yeah, this is pretty much what it is, guys. You'll see us repeat the process again and again. Here you'll see me do a process where I'm literally twisting each strand between my index finger and my thumb. And I'll go into depth a little bit later in the video. I'll do an actual close-up where I show you exactly what that looks like. But I'm literally doing a finger roll of the hair so that it can create a firm but soft twist. Stick around so I can show you the close-up of how that goes. So here's another close-up, guys. We're putting that middle of the hair on the hook. We're going to pull the latch over and pull it underneath the rubber band.
Perfect. Perfect.
So here's the finger roll technique I was telling you guys. See how we just twist each strand with our index finger and our thumb, one way, one the other way, and then we're going to cross them. This right here, it helps the twist stay together. It keeps it firm but soft, and I know it just helps the style last a little longer. So try to do that as much as possible down your twists. And yeah, I mean, you'll definitely be able to kind of see the difference when you don't, but try it out.
Perfect.
set my baby hairs, I'm using Nairobi foam mousse. It doesn't leave any product buildup, and I just really feel that the baby hairs brings this look together. I also put some gold jewelry on the twist too. And this is the final look, y'all. I love it. Feeling real royal, feeling like a queen. If you like the style, like, comment, subscribe. Stick around for another 5-star beautiful video, y'all. And don't forget to check out the makeup tutorial that I did with this look, guys. I'm your girl, SheenaJanelle, and this is 5 Star Beauty Bar.